UK banks introduce new withdrawal policies. Key details for over-60s. Breaking news for everyone in the UK, especially those over 60. Major banks are quietly rolling out new rules that could limit how much of your own cash you can withdraw. Yes, your access to money may soon be restricted, and the changes start sooner than you think. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly what's changing, who's affected, and how you can make sure you don't get caught off guard. Big changes are coming to UK banks, and if you're over 60, this news could affect how you access your own money. Across the country, new withdrawal policies are being introduced that could limit how much cash you can take out in a day, a week, or even from your local branch. Now, for many people, especially seniors who still rely on cash for everyday spending, this could mean unexpected restrictions, delays, and frustration even when the money is rightfully yours. So today, we're breaking down exactly what's changing, why it's happening, and what steps you need to take right now to stay in control of your finances. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share some practical tips to make sure you don't lose easy access to your own cash. Across the UK, a major shift in banking is underway, and it's something every person over 60 needs to know about. Big banks are quietly changing how people can withdraw their own cash, and the new rules could affect how millions manage their money day to day. Whether you still prefer using cash, or you help an elderly parent or relative with their finances, these updates could impact you more than you think. So, let's talk about what's changing, why it's happening, and most importantly, what steps you can take right now to stay in control. From September 1, 2025, new withdrawal policies will begin rolling out across several major UK banks. These policies could include a daily cash withdrawal cap of £500 and a weekly limit of £3,000, covering both ATMs and in-branch withdrawals. While some banks may set slightly different limits, the trend is clear: access to cash is becoming more restricted. For many older customers, this isn't just an inconvenience. It's a major change in how they manage everyday life. Many people over 60 still rely on cash for shopping, paying tradespeople, or helping family members. Under the new system, those routines could suddenly become more difficult. For someone who's always managed their finances in person, imagine this: you walk into your local branch to withdraw £1,000 for home repairs, as you've done for years. Suddenly, you're told there's a limit of £500 per day, and for anything larger, you'll need to give 24 hours notice or provide extra details. It's not hard to see why many people feel frustrated. It's their money, yet access now comes with restrictions. Step 1. Check your bank's withdrawal limits both at cash machines and over the counter. Each bank has slightly different rules, and many already limit daily withdrawals between £250 and £500. Step 2. If you need to withdraw a larger sum, call your bank first. Ask if notice is required and how long it takes to process. Step 3. If your local branch has closed, find out if your nearest post office allows withdrawals from your account. Many do, but limits can vary. Step 4. Learn the basics of online banking, things like checking balances, setting up transfers, or managing bills. Even small steps can make life easier, especially as banks continue to shift toward digital services. Step 5. Know your rights. If your withdrawal is denied or delayed without reason, you have the right to ask for a written explanation. Banks cannot discriminate based on age, and you are entitled to fair access to your money. Looking at the bigger picture, this isn't just about cash, it's about independence. The UK has seen thousands of branch closures in the last few years, and the number of ATMs continues to fall. The Financial Conduct Authority requires banks to maintain reasonable access to cash, but in many rural or smaller towns, that promise is already fading. So, as you've seen, these new bank withdrawal policies aren't just minor rule changes. They could impact millions of people across the UK, especially those over 60 who still depend on cash for daily life. The most important thing you can do right now is stay informed, plan ahead, and talk to your bank before these limits affect you. Remember, this is about your independence and your right to access your own money safely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends or family, especially anyone over 60, and make sure to subscribe for more clear, trustworthy updates on how financial changes in the UK could impact you. Until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, and take control of your money.